In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video player in Wix Studio 2025, step by step. First, sign into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit. From your dashboard, click Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. Give the page a second to load, and make sure you're on the page or section where you want the video to live. It helps to decide whether the video should sit inside a section, a container, or a grid so it aligns cleanly with your layout. Next, add the video element. On the left panel, click Add Elements, the plus icon, head to Media, then choose Video Player. You'll see a few style options depending on your theme. Drag the video player onto your canvas and drop it where you want it. You can resize it by pulling the handles, and you can snap it to your layout guides for consistent spacing. Now connect your video, click the video element to select it. You can upload a file directly from your computer, pick a video from your Wix media library if you've stored assets there, or paste a YouTube or Vimeo URL to stream from those platforms. Using a hosted link is great if you want to keep file sizes off your site, while uploading is best for full control. After you've chosen your source, confirm your selection and click Done. If you're uploading, give the file time to process before moving on. Let's customize the playback settings. With the video selected, open the inspector on the right panel. Here, you can enable or disable autoplay, choose to mute the video by default, show or hide the player controls, and set the video to loop. Keep in mind that most browsers block autoplay with sound, so if you want instant playback, pair autoplay with mute. You can also fine-tune playback behavior, like how the video fits or crops inside its frame, and set a custom cover image so your thumbnail looks polished before the video starts. Make sure it looks great on every device. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views at the top of the editor. Adjust the size, position, and docking so the video fits each breakpoint cleanly. Maintain the aspect ratio to avoid stretching, and keep important content within safe margins so nothing gets cut off on smaller screens. When you're happy, click Preview to test the player, try the controls, check autoplay and loop if used, and confirm the thumbnail appears correctly. If everything checks out, click Publish to push your changes live. That's it, your Wix Studio site now has a fully working video player.